Magandang araw, ako nga pala si Socially Awkward VA at ngayong araw meron tayong pag-uusapan and meron tayong aayusin. So kung tinatawag mo yung sarili mo na lazy or tamad sa VA journey mo, itigil mo muna yung pag-iisip ng ganong klaseng bagay. Kasi most of the time hindi naman siya katamaran eh. Ang truth is wala kang direction. And yung dalawang bagay na yun, yung katamaran and walang direction is they both feel similar but they come from completely different problems when you think about it deep enough. So when you say or when people say you're lazy or tamad ka, usually ganito yung usual na routine mo. So binuksan mo yung laptop mo and you think about applying a lot. So right when you open your laptop or before you even open your laptop, nag-iisip ka na mag-apply to job posting or mag-apply sa onlinejobs.ph, sa Upwork o kung saang website ka man nag-a-apply. And then after you open your laptop, what you do is mag-i-scroll ka muna saglit. So baka mag-i-scroll sa Facebook, sa YouTube, sa X, sa Reddit o kahit saan man yan. Then after mo mag-scroll, ang ginagawa mo is nanonood ka muna ng few videos. So you watch a few videos there and here and there you watch a few videos, you watch a reel, nanonood ka ng short or nanonood ka ng TikTok video. And then at the end of the day, wala kang nagawa. So ang ginawa mo is nag-scroll ka lang or nag-doom scrolling ka and then you end your day feeling guilty. And then you conclude na wala kang ginawa ngayong araw dahil tamad ka. Pero it's not entirely accurate. Active ka sa pag-i-scroll, active ka sa pag-i-doom scroll, pero wala ka ng direksyon. So, ito yung difference niya. Pag tamad ka, it will look like this. No movement, so wala ka talagang ginagawa at all. Baka nakahiga ka lang or kung ano man yan. And then you have no intention. So, you really have no intention at all of applying or like submitting applications. And you're putting no effort at all. So, hindi ka nag-e-effort like mag-open ng website or manood ng mga tutorial or mga courses. Pero pag wala ka namang direksyon, this is what it looks like kung wala kang direction. So meron kang movement, gumagalaw ka pero wala kang focus. So gumagalaw ka lang talaga, you're taking an action pero you don't know what to focus on or where to focus. And then nag-e-effort ka naman pero wala kang target. Hindi mo talaga alam kung ano yung dapat i-target mo. And meron kang mga activity na ginagawa pero walang outcome yung mga ginagawa mo. Like you're just doing it because you wanna do it. Just because you wanna do it at the moment. And when you're aspiring to be a VA, yung directionless or walang direction na effort is very common because there is always something to learn, there's always something to improve, there's always something to prepare for, and there will always be something that you can fix or you will need to fix. But what happens is your brain keeps moving to different direction but never really commits to just one path. So, pag wala kang direction, it also feels like laziness because wala kang nakikitang mga results, wala kang natatapos na mga bagay. You keep switching to different tasks and what happens is you feel unproductive at the end of the day. So, your brain labels it as something like, I must be lazy or bakit naman talaga ako. But actually, ano ka lang is scattered ka lang. You're literally scattered in different directions. Karamihan ng mga beginners ay stuck sila not because wala silang skills para gawin yung mga bagay-bagay. Not because hindi nila kayang gawin yung mga bagay-bagay. Stuck yung mga beginners because they can do too many things. Like, they can use Canva, they can edit using Canva, can do graphics design or video editing using Canva. They do or they monitor their emails. They can do admin tasks. They can handle social media posting because we all post to our own social media. They know a lot of tools. They take a lot of courses, free courses or even paid courses, and they watch a lot of tutorials. So ang nangyayari is if instead of choosing just one direction is they keep rotating direction or they keep rotating attention. So yung attention nila is hindi nakafocus sa isa lang bagay. And when you keep rotating your attention to one thing from one thing going to another, it kills a lot of momentum. So yung direction naman is hindi siya motivation. Having a direction is a commitment to a simple path. Kung ano nga ba dapat talaga yung dapat kung ano nga ba dapat talaga yung gawin mo. So instead of saying na I'm learning virtual assistant skills, you say I'm focusing on getting a client for an email management plus admin role. So that actually changes everything. So it changes what type of job posts you apply to, what things you highlight on your resume or your cover letters, what job postings you ignore, and what things you improve on your resume and on yourself overall. So yung actions mo is slowly nag-a-align siya. So paano mo mafi-fix yung directionless sa buhay mo or sa path mo to being a virtual assistant? Step number one, pick one target outcome. So pumili ka muna ng isang target outcome lang na gusto mong ma-achieve. One of that, let's say, is you wanna get your first interview muna. So you focus on getting an interview. Kasi one thing leads to another. So if you focus on getting an interview, at least one interview lang, it will eventually lead to a client eventually if you keep being consistent at it. After that, after you pick one target outcome, step number two is to filter everything through that outcome. So, iisipin mo yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. So, pag may isang bagay ka na gagawin or ginagawa, ang isipin mo is, etong bagay ba na to is makakapagbigay sa akin ng progress para mas mapalapit ako dun sa outcome na gusto ko. So, pag yung bagay na ginagawa mo or gagawin mo pa lang is hindi makakatulong sa iyo para mas mapalapit ka sa outcome na gusto mo, is skip mo yung bagay na yon. Huwag mo siyang gawin. Okay? You go straight into skipping it. So, it's like you can imagine na laser focus ka dun sa outcome na gusto mo. So, isipin mo kung ano yung outcome na gusto mo. If you want one client, then you laser focus at it. And then step number two, you filter everything through that. So lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo is dapat it should help you get closer to that outcome. If it doesn't help you get closer to that outcome, then you put it on the trash. Okay? You skip it. Now, step number three is focus repetition. So, kung ano yung mga bagay na mas makakapagpalapit sa iyo dun sa outcome mo, you keep doing that whatever thing, or if it's a combination of things, you keep doing those things. You have the laser focus repetition. So paulit-ulit mong gagawin yung mga bagay na mas makakapagpalapit sa iyo sa outcome mo. And then if you become consistent at it, if you keep going even if it's hard, if you keep going even if you don't see any result, if you keep going, if you just be consistent at it, I promise you, you will eventually be a VA. You will eventually get your first client. So, ayun, hindi ka tamad. Kasi yung mga tamad na tao, hindi sila nag-iisip, hindi sila nagpaplano, or hindi sila nagta-try. Ang ginagawa mo lang is you're moving without direction. And once you give your effort a clear target, ang nangyayari is every simple action or even simple actions na ginagawa mo will start to compound. Because ngayon, hindi ka lang basta busy. Align ka na. And alignment is what turns effort into progress. Oh, now again, this is Socially Awkward VA, and peace out. I'll see you guys on the next one.